Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to find the best Samsung discount code. So I've been researching around on how to get one and I found this website called samsung.promocode.ninja. So here it will get you free Samsung apps and many much more. So these are discount codes that are valid basically, and you can get the deal basically from worldwide to local stores. So you can also use this in online shops in their Samsung website. So for example, right here, get up to 15% off a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So this will expire soon. So this is the code right here, and then it will you can go to samsung.com. So let's just go Samsung, and then let's actually try to purchase a S24 and see if it works for ourselves. So Samsung, and then so where's the S24? So let's just search for it. I don't like to scroll everywhere. So S24 Ultra. There we go. So the S24 Ultra is up for sale right here for around 2 grand. And let's check if it will work with our discount code. So this will vary from province to province, and even if there is a slight inefficiency, it might work on some countries and it won't work in others. So as you can see right here, let's just select this random options right here. No thanks, none, and offers, and then there you go. I think that's it. And then you continue. So let's just continue. They're trying to upsell you. So I don't know where to place the code base. Oh, there we go. So let's see if it works and let's apply it. So it's an incorrect voucher and has been entered already. So it looks like these are used already. So it's really hard to find one. So try to use right here. Um, it's not gonna work for all, remember, and try to select one that could work for you. So try researching about it, and there you go, guys.